What's up, guys? We have Ginger in the background. She's scratching herself. Hope you guys are doing amazing. I am here to show you how to make a Sour Patch Kids tea. So it's a loaded tea. It's filled with vitamins. It's filled with energy. I'm telling you, you have this tea and you're gonna have energy through the roof. So what you're gonna need, lift off. Okay, so we have a lemon lime lift off, which I usually break in 4. So it dissolves. And then I take a spoon and I just crush it in the package. This is how I do it. Or you can hit it, but on marble counters, not the best idea because you might crack the marble, I think. I don't know, I'm no expert. So this is what you're gonna be doing. So that's the first thing. You're gonna need lemon tea, mandarin aloe, green apple, the water flavor enhancer, and then here I have the Berry Burst Blue Mio. 24-ounce cup, which I'm going to put the lift off and the tea in a glass measuring cup because I'm gonna pour in hot water to dissolve it. And in the plastic, if the water is too hot, it will melt the cup. Learning from experience. So just about 2 ounces of hot water. You'll see it's gonna fizz up. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna get my lemon tea. So Sour Patch Kids, guys. So I'm gonna add that to it. And that's a perfect 2 ounces. So I'm gonna mix that in. Ooh, that smells good. All right, now this isn't too warm because I've let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna pour that in the bottom of my cup. After that, with my ice. I have a full cup of ice here, which I am going to fill the cup with ice. I'm missing a few cubes. I'm gonna get a few cubes. So you really wanna make sure that I'm always prepared, that your cup is filled with ice cubes. I like these little ones because they really take up all the space. I'm drinking this one, so, you know, I can tap it around. After that, what you're gonna need is to add a little bit of water with the mandarin aloe. So I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of water, and I'm going to do a tablespoon of the mandarin aloe. All right, you don't really need to mix it up because it mixes up by itself, but here's the trick. You wanna place a spoon on the ice and on the border of your cup, and you wanna pour it in slowly to separate the colors. Sometimes it works better than others. It really doesn't matter because it tastes good no matter what. It just looks prettier if you separate the colors. So that's another 2 ounces. Then what we're gonna do is we are going to add the green apple. So I do 1 squirt. And I should have added a little more water. I did 2 squirts actually. But I'm gonna add just a little more water just to separate the colors a little more. So you see how it's really dark at the bottom and then it gets lighter at the top? Now, I don't have enough liquid in here, so I am gonna add a 2nd squirt of the green. And now looking at how dark this is, I'm not sure that we'll actually see the difference between the blue and the green. I think the green, actually, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna put the blue in the middle and the green on top. Because if not, there's not gonna be as much separation. So I'm gonna do, this is 4 ounces. I'm gonna do another 2 ounces of water with 2 squirts of the blue. All right, and I'm gonna pour that in right here, ever so gently. It's all in, you know, it's an art. So sometimes you want to have actually different textures for the water to separate. So if you just pour plain water over plain water, it's not going to do the layers. And obviously it is supposed to separate a little bit, like blend in, that's what I mean. Almost done with this one. I might have added a little more than 2 ounces. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna top it off. No, go with your gut. And it doesn't matter, like I said, everything tastes good in the end. And then the green that I'm gonna put on top, oh, we're gonna have like just, and you see how it's blending in? All right, and there you go. That is a Sour Patch Kids. So we have the green apple flavor, we have the berry, mandarin, and lemon. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna give me amazing energy. And guys, if you want the details for this, I will post a link in the comments below. Have a great day.